Imagine saying yes to something, but deep inside you were scared, confused, or didn't really understand what you were agreeing to. Should that yes even count? This is exactly what Section 28 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 is all about, and you're watching Quick Law Insight, where we explain law in the simplest way possible. Section 28 clearly says that consent is valid only when it is given freely and with full understanding. If a person agrees to something because they are afraid of being hurt, that consent has no value in the eyes of law. For example, if someone threatens another person and forces them to agree, the law treats it as if no consent was given at all. This section also talks about consent given under a misunderstanding. If a person agrees to something because they believed something that was not true, and the other person knew about this misunderstanding, then that consent is not genuine. In simple words, cheating someone into saying yes is not real consent. Section 28 further protects people who are not in a mental condition to understand what they are doing. If a person is mentally ill, unconscious, or heavily intoxicated, and because of that they cannot understand the nature or consequences of the act, their consent is considered invalid. The law also makes it very clear that a child under the age of 12 cannot give valid consent. No matter what the situation is, the law assumes that such a young person does not have the maturity to make such decisions. Overall, Section 28 is about fairness and protection. It ensures that consent must come from free will, clear thinking, and proper understanding. If fear, confusion, mental weakness, or young age is involved, the law steps in to protect the person and says that such consent simply does not count. This was Quick Law Insight, helping you understand the law clearly and confidently.